Hello dear friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, how to find the posts we like it. Okay, please subscribe the channel and let's go for find. Okay, step one, open Instagram and open profile account and click the menu and click archive now your activity. Okay, your activity, click your activity, click likes. Click likes 1 minute please. This is my video, you like it. I like it this video. Very easy. And comments, I comment this video, my comment story. Okay, and tags, I haven't been tagged. Sticker response and review, no review. Okay, very easy. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Take and take.